Hello everyone. Good evening my dear students. Welcome back again. This video is for class 7th students and my name is Neelam Wahi. Okay. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Very good. Now, very important question. Have you done your homeworks? Yes or no? Yes, some of you have done your homeworks. Now I am asking to other students also, please complete your homeworks and send me the pictures. Okay. Now one more thing, have you learned the tables up to 20? You all have to learn the tables up to 20. Okay. Last year also I told you so many times for learning the tables. This year also I will tell you to learn the tables. So this is a better time. You all are at your home and very less homeworks you are getting. So you can learn the tables also. Okay. Every day half an hour you can learn your tables. Now last time we have studied about fractions and their additions. Okay. I told you what are the fractions and how we will add that fractions, and subtraction also I told you about fraction. Now today I will tell you about the multiplication of fraction. Okay. Suppose a whole number is there, suppose 7. You have to multiply this whole number with a fraction, suppose 2 by 5. Okay. This is your question. You have to multiply this 7 with 2 by 5. Okay. So what we have done in addition or subtraction, we have find out the LCM first. Yes or no? Yes. But in multiplication, no need for finding the LCM. Understood? No need for finding the LCM. In multiplication, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator, the denominator with the denominator. Understood? But here is no denominator. So I told you that if a number which is not having any denominator, so you can use 1 for that. Okay. So you can write 7 as 7 upon 1. Okay. Now use the multiplication symbol. Now what is the next number? 2 upon 5. What is the next number? 2 upon 5. Okay. Now in multiplication you have to multiply the numerator with numerator, the denominator with denominator. Okay. What we will do? We will multiply 7 with 2 and 1 with 5. Means 7 into 2 upon 1 into 5. Okay. Now you all know the table of 7. What is the value of 7 into 2? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Yes. This will be 14. And 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. So the multiplication of 7 with the fraction 2 by 5 is 14 upon 5. Okay. You can also change this in mixed fraction. Okay. In the next question I will tell you how. We will take another example of mixed fraction. This is also multiplication of mixed fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Suppose 3 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 5. Okay. These are two mixed fraction. Okay. You already know, you have studied in class 6 also how to solve mixed fraction into improper fraction. What we are doing? We are multiplying this whole number with this denominator. Okay, we will multiply this whole number with this denominator. Okay, and whatever the result we will get, whatever the answer we will get, we will add with 1. Okay, means 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, how much we got? 6. This 6 we will add here in 1. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 2. Okay, denominator will be same. What is the symbol used here? Multiplication. So we will use the same symbol. Okay. Now what is the next number here? This is 2. This is 5. Again we will multiply this 5 and 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So 11 upon 5. Now as I told you, in fraction we are doing normal multiplication. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay. So 11 sevens are 77 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, how much is coming? 77 upon 10. Now how to convert this in mixed fraction? So we will divide this 77 by 10. How many times it will go? 10 sevens are 70. Okay, understood? So how much will come? This is whole number, this is our numerator and this is our denominator. Okay, so how much is our whole number? 7. How much is our numerator? Again 7. How much is our denominator? Is 10. Understood? So 3 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 1 by 5 is 7 upon 10. Understood? I will give you 3-4 questions related with this multiplication of fraction. Okay, you have to complete that and you can send me by clicking the photos, and if any doubt is there you can call me freely. Okay, thank you so much.